Hey my divas, welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial video for you guys. I will be sharing with you how to prep your silicone hand for any type of nail application, whether you are planning on applying acrylics, gels, gel polish, polygel, whatever it is, tips, whatever it is you're trying to apply or practice on. I'm going to share with you how to prep your nails on your silicone hand. Now, on the last video I shared with you, I showed you how to apply your false nails to your silicone hands where they will not come off. And you actually want this. You don't want these nails to come off. You want to use these nails as a base for any application that you plan on doing. So you can actually cut these nails down and just have them as like a real hand nail, like a actual nail that you can glue tips to or apply polygel, builder gel, whatever it is that you want to practice on. Having a nail already on here is perfect for these very inexpensive silicone hands, because so many of you complain about the nails not staying on because you're using the nail glue to put nails on and tips on and they're falling straight off. We're about to change everything over here. So you heard it here first, how to keep these nails on and how to practice with them with the nails on here. So the reason I have these white nails is because when I file them down, because when you're removing, I'll show you that in another video, how to remove the polish or how to remove any type of application like acrylic or gel or whatever. But when you remove it, I want to be able to see the white part before I get down to the, the actual bare nail. So that's why I use white tips on this one. So I'm supposed to be getting another hand in that I paid an amazing price for. I'm all in with these cheap silicone hands. I probably need to order like 2 more, but I will share with you the haul video for the other hand. I already have the link below, an affiliate link for this hand. I paid only like $7 for the whole kit. They went up to about $8, but they're still super affordable. So I'll have the links below. And let's get started, okay? Let me just stop rambling. So what you will need is, of course, your hand with your nails already applied to the hand. You will need a little brush for dusting. This is a makeup brush that you can get from anywhere. You will need your drill, your e-file. So this is the one I have from J.E. Whitney, which is my most powerful drill. It's a 35,000 RPM, which I absolutely love. It's super powerful, but I love all my drills because they have different purposes. You can check out that video right here where I show you my collection of drills and what I use them for and why I have so many. You also are going to need some alcohol pads. If you don't have alcohol pads, alcohol in a spray bottle will be fine, or just a bottle of alcohol. It doesn't matter the strength. It could be 50%, 70, 90, whatever. And then you're going to need like some wipes, paper towels, lint-free wipes, anything that you have on hand that doesn't, as long as it's not a cotton ball, and possibly a nail file. So let me explain to you why we need these different items, okay? The e-file is actually going to be to rough up the shiny fake nail, because you can't apply anything to a shiny nail, whether it's real, fake, whatever. So the alcohol actually works as a dehydrator, because it's going to clean the dust off, but it's actually going to work as a dehydrator. You don't need a dehydrator on fake nails for them to stick, but this alcohol is meant to get off any dust and oils that may be left on the nail after you, file it down and touch it with your fingers and so forth. You can rough the nail up with a regular hand file, but of course that's going to take a lot more work. So we're going to use an e-file because we're not about that work in life, okay? So once you're done with your prepping application, Whatever you plan on using, you always want to use a base coat. So your base coat will be your final step, whether you're using gel or whatever it is you're using, except for maybe acrylics. So let's get started. I'm going to turn my drill on. And it's on the lowest setting because for some reason I can work just as fine with the lowest setting on my drills. On my hand, on any hand, it's just fine because I'm not a E-File Pro and we don't have time for that. So that was super easy, super quick. Just get the sides a little bit. Just make sure all that shine is gone, and that's it. Let me get down here by the cuticle a little bit better. And that's it. It's roughed up perfectly. So we're done with that. So what we want to do now is, I'm not going to use an alcohol pad. I'm just going to use a paper towel that I cut up and my alcohol that's in my little spray bottle here. Just spray it on there. Wipe. You're getting all that dust that we just made. And we're done. It's done. It's ready for any type of application. Whether it's a gel polish, whether it's acrylics you want to practice on, that's it. And what I should have done was I was supposed to have used my brush to get off the dust and then use my alcohol wipe to get off like any dust or oil that might have been there. But that's okay. We here for practicing purposes, okay? So that is it. That is it. Was that not super easy and quick? If you enjoy tutorials like these, please give this video a big old thumbs up and please comment below and let me know what would you like to see on my channel next. What kind of tutorials, or do you like haul videos? Just what do you like to see from me, okay? So thank you so much for stopping by. Please check out this video right here if you would like to see how I applied these nails to this hand to make them stay on, okay? See you next time. See you over at the other video, okay, my divas? Stay beautiful.